When we were children, our grandmother cooked the salted beef, maybe like in a pilau or green frig rice, as we would call it.
Yeah.
And that's like a memory of her.
Yeah.
But we just changed the whole way that it is being done.
Okay.
So we created a little.
And what's your name? Sorry, your name?
Marcia.
Marcia is the one who created these delicious offerings that we're having here. And what she was explaining is the first dish that you saw me have, that was the salted beef. It was delicious.
Creamy sweet potato and dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
And the chocolate is because we make chocolate.
Yeah.
And we are living in a village that grows cocoa. Fine cocoa is best in the world.
Yeah, I hear that.
Thank you.
What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. We're at Cafe Mariposa. What a beautiful drive. A little bit, a little bit dangerous though. So we're here. What a beautiful space, boy. Thank you.
Okay.
You see all the hummingbirds, man?
Oh my god. They said that the hummingbirds come right up.
There are hummingbirds everywhere. There's one right on the tree right there. Oh, that's a cocoa tree. The red flowers you're seeing there. That's a ginger, I think it is. There it is. Oh, wow. What was your name again? Sorry?
Allende.
Allende. Is there a meaning to it?
Yes, it means we give praises and he came.
Nice. Love it. And there's a ton of hummingbirds just about everywhere here. Well, look at them.
I think we have like about 12 species, different species of hummingbirds on our property. And we have the tufted cocket. I think that is one of the rarest birds that we have.
The tufted cocket.
Tufted cocket, yes.
Okay.
But, you'll be very lucky if you see him.
Okay.
He usually comes to this tree here.
All right.
He doesn't feed at the bird feeders. He only goes to this specific plant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Look at all the avocados up there, boy.
Yeah. South Carolina.
Yeah.
We serve it in a traditional enamel cup.
Love it. And this is cocoa from the estate?
Yes. So we make some of the cocoa that we make in our chocolates we get from our property, but most we get from local estates in the village.
Indian village.
Yeah, but all the cocoa is from the Lopinot Valley.
Okay.
And we use that cocoa to make the cocoa teas, the cocoa balls that you grate to make the teas, to make chocolates, to make our chocolate punch creme, and to make our cocoa sangria.
Okay, cocoa sangria.
Cocoa sangria, yes.
Where are they?
I don't know if that would be available today.
Yeah.
But you could like order a bottle.
Really? Okay. Interesting. Just look at the traditional enamel cup here. With the little branding. I'm loving everything about this boy. Don't have time to take an official walk around the grounds, but because I got here a bit late and as it get dark, the drive up is a little bit treacherous. Oh, look at the old copper. We call it a copper. It used to be used for water, and we got the cabbage lilies on there. Wow. And I see something interesting, very interesting. Look at that. A traditional, my grandma had one of these. Mud oven. So you would create a fire in there, you take all the coals out, and you would bake your bread in there basically. That is beautiful, man. Wow. That takes me back, boy. That certainly takes me back. A whole bunch of bananas and fruit trees and all that back here. But this is the highlight for me, without a doubt. this oven. Thank you. You wouldn't have to have one of the menus by chance, would you? From Restaurant Week?
From Restaurant Week?
No. Would you explain this for me? What's on here? Yeah? Please. I can't remember what I ordered, so.
Okay. This is kingfish done with some cocoa granules and sorrel in a white wine sauce.
Okay.
And the rice is lime and coconut.
So lime and coconut, rice.
Yes, and the plantain is stuffed with cassava and spinach.
Plantain stuffed with cassava and spinach, and here we've got.
It's a salad and a little bit of avocado.
I saw the avocado there and some bits of melon as well too.
The bitter melon is steeped in lime juice with salt.
Okay, so it takes out some of the bitterness. Yeah. And what do we have here?
A lot of it in the kitchen. And she has whiskey pork.
Whiskey pork.
Yeah, and it's pork belly. And a salad and a lime and coconut rice.
Lime and coconut rice. Looks delicious.
Thank you. My avocado pizza's bigger than yours.
Yeah, I realized that. I saw them right there. Beautiful. That kingfish is cooked to perfection. And what the lady was explaining to us, the avocado that I'm about to eat here came directly from the tree up there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but imagine that. I'm eating stuff fresh out of the garden right back there. It's mesmerizing watching these hummingbirds. There are hundreds of them all over, man. Wow. You must see the atmosphere, the food, everything is just hits the spot, you know? Sunday, you expect a nice Sunday meal, and yo, this one delivers, man. Mariposa, that kingfish was on point. That rice is very delicious. I found the pork to be a little bit chewy, but not everybody cooks pork like I do or like my mom does, so that's not even a complaint. That's just an observation. The avocado, fresh out of the trees, that added a nice little touch. And I'm mesmerized, as I said, by these hummingbirds. Is that a cocoa pod on the bottom?
Yes.
Wow. And I've got the bread pudding here, right?
Yeah, and that's bacon. So this is still with chocolate punch creme. And the punch creme won an award in 2016 or 17.
Okay.
So we have an award winning.
Punch of creme.
Yes.
Nice.
Love it.
And this is Julie Mango.
Julie Mango.
Yes.
You're not having none?
Yeah.
Wow.
I love the presentation. It's beautiful.
Love it.
It's dessert time. And Tehya's being spoiled by Julie Mango ice cream. Served on cocoa pods there that's frozen, keeping everything nice and chilled. I'm also being spoiled. That sauce that you're seeing there, that's an award-winning cocoa punch of creme. And let me go inside and I'll show you what we got inside. Pardon my hand. We've got bread pudding in there. And you can tell people are having fun here, yeah? There's that bread pudding right there. Wow, does it ever smell good, boy? And over here, this is what the cocoa pods look like. This is green cocoa pods. Right as you walk in, there's quite a few of them. There's little ones. There you can see flowers like this. These are the flowers here. This is a tiny one. There's a little baby over here. And then we got these guys here. It's just a beautiful setting all over, man. Oh, is it? Oh, okay. Good night from Cafe Mariposa. Number one has got to be nature. Nothing else to say but nature. You guys can see the video there and what's going on and all that. Nature doesn't get more real than this. 2, while this place is known for cocoa and coffee and all that stuff like that, and we grow some of, if not the best cocoa in the world in Trinidad and Tobago, you see that mango ice cream, that Julie mango ice cream? Don't sleep on that one. You've got to try that one. And 3, the creativity of the chefs. The ladies back there, yo man, the stuff they did with that fish, that simple salad by just brining that the bitter melon or the corally on point. And do talk to them, you know, talk to the server. That's their nephew, the young man who was serving us there, the lady that came out and chat with us. They love to chat, and they sort of bring you into the fold as family. Chris here, CaribbeanPod.com, Gallivanting. Always a pleasure to have you guys with us.